So, a question for you. Have you ever thought about going on a retreat, a unity retreat? It's something that we offer as an in-person experience. We do really well on Zoom. We have lots of meetings and discussions and prayers and meditations that we share that really do bring us together as a family. But when we come together in person and experience that physical energy of being in the same space at the same time, there's something profound and meaningful in that experience, and friendships are made that last a lifetime. So we have a retreat coming up in September. It's at the Kairos Centre in southwest London. It is a beautiful place to spend some time. The building itself, the retreat centre, has a beautiful energy. It's a place of prayer. It is a place to retreat from the world. And it's also a place to build a deeper connection with God. We've been going there for many years, and we go there again in September. And our theme this year is on spiritual healing. And that covers the body, the mind, the heart, the soul. It's a big subject. And this year, it's very much an around the campfire experience. It's going to be intimate. Lower numbers, but a chance to really connect with each other, with Unity's teachings, to practice them together. We're going to be talking about prayer and how we can use affirmative prayer to really connect with the life of God and the love of God. The power of surrender and letting go so that that life flows through us. We become the love that we seek. We can talk about forgiveness, about our consciousness and how when that shifts, everything around us shifts. There'll be times of silence, times to meditate together, beautiful food to enjoy, the grounds to experience. And it is only £239 for 2 nights, full board, and a sharing of Unity teachings. So please think about joining us. And if you can, either go to the website and find the details there and book your place, or call the office and we can send you a booking form. We can talk it through with you in more depth. But there's a real invitation this year to experience Unity's teachings on healing, the very core, our foundational work, and meet each other and spend time together in a really intimate way. If you're interested, let us know. We'd love to share the time with you. Bless you and thank you for listening.